actually I was working as a test analyst back in India. I have experience like 2.5 years, more than 2.5 years. Then I did my ISTQB certifications. But after marriage, we moved to like overseas. Then I had a baby, so I thought I'll take a break from the work. So I took the break. Then I started with learning a little bit at home. But I felt joining the Industry Connect was my best decision. I feel I did delay to join this one. I might have joined 2 years back, but somehow it was delayed. But yes, this was the good thing. And then I joined the Industry Connect, so that I know the automation, but here on a regular basis, if you work, then it will be like I was engaged with the technology and how to all the meetings and how after, because I had a 5 years of gap, so that bridge I has to maintain. So what all the missing things I got from the Industry Connect. Yeah, definitely, because when we I have an experience, I know the technology, but in real time to connect with the technology and how to speak up in interview. I know the things, but how to present them, like small things, especially when we have English as a second language, how to maintain the relationships here. That was small things, but they are very important in this area. I got those things from the Industry and in MEP, all the sessions, whatever I currently are there. I took sometimes I feel, it's after gap, is it really possible to get a job? Till that extent I was thinking. But when I attended the life skills and English at work, they helped me a lot to gain the confidence to face the interviews. Yeah, I was so confident when I was going to the interview. First, before this one, I had 2 interviews. But I know the things, but I was not quite sure how to present myself in the interviews. But this time, yes, after all the sessions, I become more confident and I face the interviews. And even the technical chit chat, what I feel, see, there are some technologies we can't do everything at a time. But when we attend the session, when we know the basics, okay, this technology works like this. So I'll get again some more confidence. If any interviewer asks, because test analysts, they'll not be specified to the one technology. Usually first interview will be always, because in this interview also they asked me overall what I can give as a test analyst, any technology. So that builds up the confidence to answer any question. They asked me upon APM, even though I was even though I'm not quite sure about the APM, but still I made myself to answer some of their questions, at least about the overall, how any new tools, how it related, how to use the tools, what we can do as a test analyst with the new tool. Any tool comes from the market, like I have already I studied the Cypress, why Cypress came into the technology world. So I related like that. Okay, APM, maybe some benefits are there, so we may be moving to the APM. I explain them like mobile technology, why it is. So they are so pretty much happy with that answers. Definitely I'll ask them, before joining this one, I think I was told you right, I took a time to join the Industry Connect. I thought it may be for beginners who doesn't know, but I'll recommend Industry Connect, especially for who is having the gap in their career. Because to get into the technology again, get into the path, it's a difficult fighting alone. But when you connect to the community, our path becomes very smooth to get a job or position. Whatever we dream of, okay, I wanted this one, especially if you're specific, then it's very if you connect to the Industry Connect, the path becomes very smooth to go on. Yeah, even I got nice community friends. We'll chat over if anything comes up. Last I was chatting is a Zoom meeting we were discussing about the task, discussing how to face the interviews. So I feel it's good to join the Industry Connect.